Guys, what is the connection between Jerusalem, and we are in Jerusalem, the sun, and Berlin? The connection is Talmud. Whoa. Tell us about it.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Tal.
Okay, welcome to Jerusalem again. I haven't seen you for a while. We are in an environmental statue
Yes.
by Micha Ullman, sorry. He's an Israeli sculptor.
Genius sculptor.
He made a sculpture here next to the National Library, next to the Israel Museum and the Shrine of the Books, next to the Hebrew University.
Next to the old city.
Next to the old city, next to the Knesset, to the parliament. So this is a statue about the Hebrew letters. Okay, these are the foundation elements of the Hebrew language, of the Bible. And this statue contains of two sections. There is the underground area.
We are here, yes.
And there is the
upper part.
On the ground, on the surface section. We will be there in just a minute. You walk in, like you saw before, you walk in some kind of a tunnel. And over here, it's an empty space.
It is empty. It's so boring, isn't it?
It's not really empty because
of
the most important part here is the ceiling, which is the ground of the part of the sculpture that is upstairs on the ground. And what you see here are the silhouettes of the first letter of the alphabet. Okay,
in Hebrew, in English, and Arabic.
English and in Arabic as well.
Yes.
And this is transparent. Right now it's very cloudy upstairs. Outside, so you can't see it. But when the sun is shining, what you get here.
This is part of the statue.
You will get the shade.
You can imagine it.
Of those.
Hello. And I have a question, Tal. So how do you connect this with Berlin?
Yeah, right. So what you do have here, which is unlike the statue of Micha Ullman in Berlin, it looks empty, but it's not empty. It's really full with the spirituality of the letters, of the language of the Bible, because you will have the shade of the letter, of the first letter of the alphabet here in this room. So it's full of spirituality of the language, really, of the language of the Bible. And upstairs, we'll go there right now and we will see the beautiful circle of all the other letters of the Hebrew alphabet and what he did over there. So in Berlin, it's just one dimension. It's the dimension of destruction. It's the dimension of the empty space of all the books that were burned. This is May 1933.
The Jewish books.
No, not the Jewish books, all free spirit books,
Okay.
all the books, a lot of Jewish books, but also other writers, philosophers, art books, a lot of books that the Nazis had called the people, a lot of students especially, to burn because they did not go well with the Nazi ideology at all. So in that square in Berlin, what you have is the place where all these books were burned down. Okay, so the statue over there is only underground, and when you look through the window in the ground of the square, what you see is an empty space, and you see empty shelves out there. So this is the memorial for the ideas and later the people that would be killed and burned and destroyed and really taken away from this world. And here the idea is to bring back the spirituality and the presence of the language and the ideas.
Are you accepting it?
Yes, I find it very interesting, and also it takes me to the present.
Yes.
And I visited recently Sderot, and
It's a city near Gaza that was attacked by the terrorists.
When they got inside Hamas in the 7th of October. And there is a new monument instead of the
amazing
building.
monument.
Did you see?
Of course, I've been there twice.
There's a beautiful murales, and also you see the letters that are coming out from the flames.
Yeah.
So it was really wow. I mean,
actually,
there is burning, destruction, fire, but like fire, the letters come up again, and
It's
they speak again,
it's
and they
actually,
send life again.
yeah, it brings us to the Roman time, and the Romans burned down some rabbis, and one of them, I don't remember his name, he was wrapped with a scroll, and he was smiling when he was burned down together with the scroll, and his disciples asked him, "Why are you smiling?" And he said, "Because I can see the letters of the Bible goes up into flame straight to heaven with me."
In fact, that mural is the road in the side of the police station.
Yes.
It connects.
I know,
that
that's why I
story
mentioned
overall.
it. It's
very,
beautiful.
very interesting.
And do you know something about the 3 Hebrew letters here?
I cannot coming from deep throat.
And in Hebrew, it comes from the chet.
Okay, this one is the
Chet.
chet.
Oh,
It's the 8th letter in the
Yeah.
Bible. Up here is the 5th letter of the letter.
Hey.
It's like H, it's Hey, but it's also the name of, one
God.
of God's name.
Yeah, it's the name of God. That's why it's upstairs in heaven.
This one as well, so I wonder about the chet, maybe because this is Shin.
Shin, which is another.
No, this is Ein.
Ein, okay, Ein, of course. Ein. Can you hear the Ein? Ein.
Maybe because this is like a throat. This
It's like, yeah, it's like a throat tunnel. You can hear the her. Then we're climbing up.
we need to ask the artist.
No. You just need to read it here. Look at that.
It's a very interesting.
First of all, that's the name of. That's it here. And here we are climbing up to the. In front of you is the Israeli Museum. Yeah, we're climbing up. Not from there? All right, from here, okay. Soon you will see the National Library of Israel, which is an amazing place by itself, and I took some videos of it. Guys, if you are watching that video, it means that you are watching YouTube, on my YouTube channel. But please don't forget to subscribe. I have more than 21,000 videos. And my name is Zahi, or Zahi Shaked. Shaked, it's an almond tree. And look at the shaked tree is in a blossom. Here it is. And behind it is the Knesset, the Parliament of Israel, an olive tree, and the library. We are climbing up. We are climbing up. It's supposed to rain today, and tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny. It's supposed to be snowing. It's supposed to snow. Georgine, you missed it. Snow in Jerusalem on Saturday. And remember, we are climbing up to the second part of Ullman statue. It's a little chilly now, but I'm so happy. I'm really happy. Here it is. Here it is. All right. You need to help me because I tried. Trust me, I tried to find the letters here.
No, here they are.
Yes.
Okay, you need the sun.
And we don't have the sun.
See the letter. This is the shin. You see.
All right, the shin it's easy, which is there.
Right, it's a little difficult.
Level, yeah. But we were.
But here is where we were
Yes.
before.
You can see the aleph,
Aleph,
the
alif,
alif in Arabic,
and A.
and A in English.
What I do know.
What's that? Taf.
Taf.
The last letter in Hebrew.
Lamed. This is Lamed.
Wait. All right, Taf. Lamed
Oh, you need it from the distance, I think.
is there. Mem is next to it. Is it alphabet?
אנחנו הפוך. אנחנו במראה. צריך לראות את זה ככה, הנה.
Wait.
הנה נון.
Let me see.
למד.
What did I see? Nun. Nun. All right. It's and that's Lamed. All right. Lamed.
Zain.
Look for the empty part, not the stone
The
itself.
empty part.
Zain. Het is not here. Or maybe that's Het.
This is mem, maybe. Mem.
This is Shin for sure.
This is Shin.
And this is the Knesset, the parliament of Israel.
Reish.
Reish.
So what I read is that it's divided into the different groups of letters according to the pronunciation. So you have the letters coming from the throat, like
Yeah.
You have the letters coming from the mouth, bumaf.
Bumaf.
B, f, m.
Do you want to study Hebrew? Who actually asked me to study Hebrew? Yeah, it's very easy
Then you
language.
have lamed nun samech tzadik.
Tzadik, it's my first letter.
Tzadik Zahi.
Yeah.
אז זה שין, ריש. זה צדיק.
Oh, that's my. Where do you see the Tzadik? Yeah, it is.
I think
It is.
it's a tzaddik here.
Yeah, this is my letter. It goes like that.
This is bet.
Wait, and then bet.
בומף. הנה.
Bumaf.
Bet.
Bu.
Vav.
Vav.
Mem.
Mem.
Hey.
Hey.
This is בומף.
Okay.
בומף.
All right. But you know what? It doesn't matter if you can
בומף.
if you can pronounce those letters. It's still beautiful. And what's the meaning?
גימל יוד.
Yeah.
זה חך. אותיות של...
Now 22 letters. Endless books.
This is from upper part of the throat. Kuf. Kuf.
Kuf.
Daled.
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 Shin. Or not.
Tet, Lashon. These are letters with a tongue. Da, Daled.
Daled.
Tet, like Tal.
Ta. Like ta.
Lamed, like Louisa.
Louisa. L.
The Nun. This is all letters that you with.
Yeah. It's looks. All right. Let me take a picture of you.
Yeah, very nice.
One more.
Louisa Lamed.
La 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 la. And where are you, Tal? Yes. Yes, this is Tal. I know that it's easy to look. Did I hear the booms of the thunders?
Maybe thunder. Maybe we need to go to the.
Yeah, let's go to that. Then, guys, it was pleasure to be with you. Thank you, Tal and Louisa.
Israel.
Yeah. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye.